दुश्मन की निगाहों को हम उठने से पहले झुका देंगे। दुश्मन की निगाहों को हम उठने से पहले झुका देंगे। कमज़ोर जो हमको समझे उसे अमन की राह दिखा देंगे। उसे अमन की राह दिखा देंगे। Respected principal, teachers, Mr. President and worthy audience. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my debate is Defense Day of Pakistan. Today is the 6th of September 2021. We proudly celebrate it as Defense Day of our sweet motherland. The entire world knows that in 1965 how the fearless, courageous and daring tigers of Pakistan army crushed the planned, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. They reduced all the pride and boldness of large Indian army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मात में दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने. Brothers and sisters, Pakistan was not had as a charity. It was not made to secure land, and it not made in a day. Pakistan is a result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies in the two-nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in the efforts of Ali Brethren, in the bold step of Maulvi Fazlul Haq, in the dreams of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally in the undefeatable leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Mr. President, during the Pakistan movement for the liberation of Indian Muslims, Quaid-e-Azam made it clear that we, Muslims, are not a minority. We are a nation according to the definition of the word nation. Our religion, our culture, our history, our ways of thinking, even every walk of life is not only differ with those of the Hindus, but their heroes are also our enemies, and our heroes are considered enemies by them. When we cannot even eat together, what about one country? So the guide warned, we are decided, determined, and ready to have a country of our own. We do not want to get it for the sake of securing a piece of land. Rather, we wish to secure a laboratory where we would be independent and implement our ideology of Islam. Dear fellows, for accomplishing this ideal, the Muslim nation merged into one unit under the flag of Muslim League and the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam. They decided to do or die but to have Pakistan. To this end, our forefathers laid their lives, sacrificed their sleep, spent all their riches, forgot everything but Pakistan. By the grace of God Almighty, Pakistan came into being on the 14th of August 1947. But, Mr. President, Hindus still continued their fake pride of numerous strength in the minds. So their hearts did not accept Pakistan as prospering and progressing. In short, they did their best and attacked Pakistan in 1965 with their full might in the darkness of midnight. Hence, Pakistan was far scattered, but its people were one, the Muslim. Fort of Islam proved a fortress for the enemy and won each and every front, whether land, air or sea. The fate of Indians were defeat, cowardice and humiliation. They forget to learn that Pakistan army were the heirs of Khalid bin Walid, Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, Muhammad bin Qasim, Ghori and Tipu. तैगों के साए में हम पल कर जवां हुए हैं, तैगों के साए में हम पल कर जवां हुए हैं, खंजर हिलाल का है कौमी निशां हमारा, खंजर हिलाल का है कौमी निशां हमारा. Respected audience, let's aim together. We shall work hard, excel in all fields of learning and warfare, defend our country till death. We shall make the flag of Pakistan in the Committee of Nations. Being a young falcon, our message to Pakistan and Muslim Ummah is, ए वतन तेरी फसीलों पे हर एक सिमत, ए वतन तेरी फसीलों पे हर एक सिमत, हम लोग अभी जिंदाओ बेदार खड़े हैं, हम लोग अभी जिंदाओ बेदार खड़े हैं। थैंक यू।